As always, please retry the question before watching the video. There are only two things you need to know to be able to answer this question. If you don't know the answer to either of them, please add it to your cheat sheet, Masterman. Go back 5 before continuing in the video. What is the RC for economy questions? Three longer answers and one shorter answer. So if you see three longer answers and one shorter answer, you have an economy question. And a delete option is a really short answer. It means there's no words there. So that is almost always going to be an economy question, very often. What is the WTD for economy questions? The shortest answer is almost always right. So if there is a delete option, it's almost always going to be right because that is a really short answer. There are no words. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. We'll start off by just reading the sentence. More massive than Jupiter, but not massive enough to fuel the fusion reactions that make stars brightly shine. Brown dwarfs are too dim to be observed through telescopes due to their lack of brightness. So answer F, it says right before it, they're too dim. So you don't need to be told their lack of brightness. That's just a redundancy, okay? Answer G, because they are not as easily seen as stars. It already just told us they're too dim. We don't need that repeated, and it is repeated. Answer H, despite being quite massive, it already told us that they're massive, so we don't need that repeated, leaving us with only answer D, which is our answer J, which is our delete option, which is going to be correct because it doesn't repeat anything. It just says doors are too dim to see observed through telescopes. Very simple, done deal. This is our right answer. If this made sense to you, please add it to your worksheet, master it, and do the remaining economy questions, which include verbosity, redundancy, and relevance questions before going on to the next category. If this is your final verbosity, redundancy, or relevance question, please go ahead and get 10 questions correct in a row on the all economy mastery before coming back to do the next category that you missed the most of.